Alright, so let's talk about effective communication. So, to communicate means to share ideas and information with others. Therefore, being clear and understood is very important. Clarity. Aim for clarity, being clear, and being understood when communicating. Yes, clarity. So everyday communication has a specific purpose. To give information, to give, here you are, thank you. To persuade, you should do this, you should go there, you should buy this, you should talk to him. Or dissuade. So persuade is you should, and dissuade is you shouldn't. You shouldn't. You shouldn't. You shouldn't. You shouldn't go there. You shouldn't talk to him. You shouldn't buy that. You shouldn't read this book. How cool is that? So, share a complaint. Give travel directions, information. Selling and buying things online. Persuading and dissuading. I want to buy something, so they're going to persuade me to buy different ones. And some people will try and dissuade you from buying from their competitor. Giving advice, information again. This book is better than this book. What I learnt in this book is this, this, and this. Or sending an invitation. There's a wedding or a party. Come to my party. Come on over. These are different ways, but these are the main purposes. Give information, persuade or dissuade. Buy my book. Don't read this book. Listen to her. Talk to them. Go over there. Have you seen this? What do you think this means? What do you think to that? And beyond. So, how cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.